Welcome back to Sharon's Crafts and More. Today I'm going to share with you my Michael's Grab Bags boxes 4, 5, and 6. Let's get started. Box number 4. Ooh, looks like we got a lot of garland. Oh, this is cute. Like different materials tied around. Got red felt, green felt, and like a, what is that, a plaid fabric and some burlap. This was regular $14.99. See, I got 1, 2. Oh, these aren't that long. These are kind of short. 3. 4 of those. So I got some bows, 2 packs of bows. This can come in handy for gifts next year. And I got some green garland, $5.99. I got 1, 2, 3, wow, 4, 5 of those. And here's some ornaments in here. These are $5.99 a piece. Those are pretty. This is 2001 on the bottom, or 2021. I could always like paint that to get rid of that or something. Oh, those are pretty. It looks like it's a Ferris wheel. I got 3 of those. And that's it for this box. Let's move on to the next box. Okay, box number 5. Oh, this box is full. Okay. It's another mini tree skirt. It's pretty. It's very soft. That was $14.99. This here. Okay. Oh, these are neat. Paper Village kit. $14.99. Has a barn, a church, houses. Oh, those are really neat. And I got some more of those Christmas tree kits. Good for my son to do. And 2 of these little kits. Is that a candy cane? It looks like little pegboard crafts. 2 of those. I don't know how much these are. Those don't have a price. An antler pick. $3.99. And some acorns, or not acorns, pine cones. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. There's 2 more antler picks. Oh, these are pretty. Pretty glitter gold. 2 of those. And this is pretty. I like this. It's a little basket. Hangs on the wall. It has pine cones and cinnamon sticks. And this was regular, or $29.99. Next, some little trees. These are $4.99 a piece. 4 of those. Some Christmas cards. I think I got these in the last box for that. These are pretty. Everything is so full of glitter. Got 2 boxes of those. And box of those. Here's another pegboard craft kit. Looks like a candy cane with a ribbon. And here's a nice bow. I like the colors, very festive. $14.99. Here is another pine and berry garland for outside or indoors. And this was the price, regular, or the price was $49.99. And that's it for box number 5. Let's move on to box number 6. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Oh wow. This box is full. One thing, a lot of these boxes were really, really full. Oh, here's a Hanukkah garland. This was $9.99. Some foam stickers. You can make like Santa Claus or a snowman, a polar bear, like hot chocolate with marshmallows. It's cute. Here is a tree. That's pretty. $9.99 or $19.99. I always turn it that way so it won't be all smashed. Some more foam stickers. Some more. I got lots of these. Some more. Let's see. A 2-pack of some dreidels. Those were $4.99. And here's this is a Valentine's Day card kit, $2.99. A tablecloth, $6.99. A Happy Kwanzaa Wreath craft kit, $4.99. Some cute little puppy Christmas cards. I like those. Those are cute. And a garland, $5.99. Here's a banner. $14.99. Let's see what it says. Believe in the magic of Christmas. You can see this. That's nice. I like that. And here's a bunch of different stockings. These are $4.99 a piece. I got an O, an F, T, a Z, another Z, a U, and there's more, a G, an X, I don't know what I'm going to do with all these, an S, hey, that's for my name, starts with an S, oh, and here's a plain one. Good. And another plain one. Here's some ribbon, Christmas ribbon, $9.99. And I got, let's see, another thing of ribbon. Another one. Another pack of Drados. And this is really cool. Artist Loft. Paint by number of a horse. I don't know what the price is. I don't see a price on this. That's really nice. And it looks like a broken piece of that present thing. Oh, yeah, there's the rest. Oh no, this one is all, that's what it's supposed to look like. And that's $29.99. And here's some coins, $4.99. And a bell. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what the price is on it. It was taken off. And I got ornament, put together ornament. You can paint it or put glitter on it. And here's some peppermint garland, $5.99. And another Valentine's Day card kit, $2.99. Some stickers, vinyl stickers, $1.99. This is Happy Holidays. Those are pretty. And a little mini gift present thing for $4.99. And here's this thing. This is kind of cool. Oh, it's a nutcracker. I don't see where that would. Okay, and this is $24.99. It's very kind of cool. Oh, it's cracked up in the face. Okay, and then next I got, oh, this is so full of glitter. Oh, these are nice. A tree skirt, $39.99. Got 2 of those. And that's $39.99. I like this box, what was in here. It's very nice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for part 3. Have a great day. Bye-bye.